Hello and welcome to this Willy's Butte bowling team competition. Seems that we're missing some teammates here. First, team race cars, but we have nobody else for the third racer. What about Daniel? He's doing something with Storm at the moment. And we need one more SpongeBob character to be on the SpongeBob team, and one more for the Long Cars team. Where are we gonna find those cars? I can. I'm Mr. Wiener from that runs the Wiener Hut. Oh, yeah, I remember you. I tried to apply, but I kind of failed a little bit. Yeah, but your weenie patterns were impressive, I guess. Yeah, whatever. Alright, now we just need somebody from Team Race Cars. I can. My name is Dash from Velocityville. Oh, welcome, Dash. You just go between Strep and McQueen. And finally, we need a car that is long enough like these two in order to make this team. I can. Jack Skillington! Yup, I can race. Alright, so we got 3 new racers lining up today. Right, so the rules are simple. Each car from their team will launch off around the loop, through this ramp, and whoever can knock down the most pins in only one go from each car will gain a point, and the pins that knock down with the most will be the team's today's champion. Okay? So let's meet the team. We have Team Red, Team Race Cars, Team SpongeBob, Team Long Cars, Team Robot, and Team Super Fast Cars. Alright, so let's get ready to race. Team Red's up first. Red Ranger to take the first turn. I'll show you how it's done, Red Imposter. Oh yeah? We'll see. Oh yes! I think he knocked some over. I think he got 4. Let's see how Red Imposter will do. Ooh, not sure how he knocked over, but I think he knocked over some. Can Red knock over the others over? Ooh, he did a roll, and then after that he knocked over only 1. So in total, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins knocked down. 6 from 3 makes 9. Well, there are 9 pins, and they knocked over 6, so their score is 6. Not bad. Team Race Cars now with McQueen going first. Ooh, Steady undoes it, and he either knocked over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. Not bad, McQueen. Now it's Dash in his first race. Ooh, he landed on his side and knocked over Chew over. I think, yeah. So, I get this all out to Strep to knock down the other Chew in order to get into the lead more. Can Strep knock over the other Chew over? Oh dear, that was a rubbish jump. So their total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are in the lead, along with Strep, even though he did rubbish. Team SpongeBob with Mr. Wiener going first in his first ever race. Ooh, he did a drift, sideways I think, and he knocked over 4 over. Nice one. Squidward will have to aim to the right a little bit in order to knock down the other pins. Can he do it? Oh no! He didn't make it off the ramp for some reason. Wow. Seems that SpongeBob will have to do this. Can SpongeBob try to jump over the ramp and knock over all the pins? Ooh! He only just knocked down Chew. So their score is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's a 6. So it's not enough to put you in the lead. Unlucky. And also a nice first race, Mr. Wiener. Team Long Cars with Spider-Man going first. Whoa! He already knocked over about 7, I think. Just Chew to make 9. Can the other teammates do that? Nice one, Spider-Man. Can Sonic knock over the Chew the last tips over? Well, the pins are. But can he do it? Let's see. Oh, yes! Sonic already knocked them over, meaning they're in the lead with 9, and Jack still hasn't had a go. Well, Jack, I don't think you should jump. Oh, but I want to. It's my first race and I wanted to try the track. Alright then, you can jump. Yay! Okay, here I go. Ooh, he landed on his wheels and crashed into Sonic. Well, you guys are in the lead with 9. Very well done. Team Robot with Cyborg to go first. Whoa! He already knocked over about 7 too. Well done. So I guess these 2 pins are the last one to be knocked down. Can Hot Rod knock it down? Hey, where is he? Oh, he follows the loop. Unlucky. So I guess it's all up to Bumblebee to knock over the other 2 over. Oh, he was only to knock out only 1. That's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're currently coming in second. And finally, it's Team Super Fast Cars with Catboy going first. Oh, he knocked over 4, I think. That's not bad. Can the Flash knock over the rest? Oh no, he flipped upside down. So I guess it's all up to Chuck. Can he knock over the rest of the pins in order to tie? Team Long Cars! And well done to you too, Jack Skellington. You won your first ever race.